Bhuvi, what are the three key things that you remember from the course?
The key three things, I think the NLP presuppositions, because I connect with them very strongly. Um, I think the soft C, and I think all the inductions and deepening techniques.
Okay. And how are you feeling now that you've completed this?
I am feeling more confident because I know now that if I get stuck, there is a structure that I can fall back on. So, yeah.
Okay, great. And how do you plan to, like, whatever you've learned, how do you plan to apply this going forward?
So hopefully I will feel like I do feel confident, and I am hoping to start taking on private clients apart and be like beyond school. And I'm also really seeing ways in which I can apply this with my kids at school when I'm working with them.
All right. Okay. Thank you. And anything about like, so how was your trainer experience?
So I think my trainer experience was really good, because I think what I really look for in a trainer is just the warmth to answer all the questions, however they sound, and I think that was really there with you. And like none of the questions were silly or irrelevant, and you really tried your best to sort of explain them. And I think that is literally key for me. Of course, you know your content really well and you are an expert at what you do, so that clearly shows in the way you conduct the class. So all in all, really good experience. Thank you so much.
Thank
How are you feeling now that you have completed the course? Actually, above me, there is one floor, but now I feel top of the world.
Okay. All right.
We key learning from this course is like I learned more and more deepening techniques
Hmm.
and more precise hypnotic language,
Hmm.
how to use this particular language. That is what I was missing for so many years. I was just randomly doing it. Now I know exactly.
Hmm.
And I get to do the practice on Satnamji and other members. So it was good experience.
Okay.
And how I will apply. First, I will apply to my family members, my wife, my three son.
Hmm.
I will apply this. And how was your trainer? Excellent. Means she is a beautiful. She is very charming. She is very good orator. She explains everything good, and she was really patient to hear about our questioning. Question ke hamare answers she was giving very nicely, and whatever we asked the doubts, she cleared. Means I'm satisfied 100%.
I'm feeling more confident of handling clients now after having completed this first level. Of course, I know I'll be able to take fewer problems than exist at present with people, but yes, taking those is, I am confident that I'll be able to handle them. Three key learnings from the course: the induction process itself, and the deepening technique, and again setting the SMART goals. These were three key learnings.
Okay.
I'm going to apply. I've already started applying it with the clients and on myself uh, to achieve my own goals. Trainer experience was excellent, very patient, and very clear. Subject matter, thorough knowledge of the subject matter, and she answered our questions very patiently, handling so many people on a Zoom session. This was my first experience, and I never realized that it could be done so beautifully. So from that point of view, it was really excellent. And having gone through the hypnosis process on Zoom, amazing. So it gives me more confidence that I too can take online sessions in the same manner. Thank you.
Yeah, so three things that I remember from the course would be flip, model of mind, and the suggestibility models, like the laws of suggestibility. And I feel very confident after completion of this course. I think that I can actually start taking clients now. I've already started doing that. I feel really great about it. I feel really happy about it. Three things that I learned from this course would be the soft C, anchoring, and induction. Like three very important things I feel. And how will you apply? Okay, so I have already started applying it on clients, and I'm also applying it on myself. I am also trying to help people around me who are asking for it. So yeah, that's it. And the trainer experience, that's actually very, very amazing, I would say. And Mamta, you're one of the reasons why I actually enrolled for this course when I knew that you would be taking this one. So I enrolled immediately. I think you always are very patient and you listen to all our doubts and you always clarify. Jab tak clarify nahi ho jata, no matter how many times we are asking the same question, you always are patient enough to clarify. And also off the session, like if there is a little bit of hand holding that's required and like we are stuck somewhere, you're always there for that as well. So all in all, it's a amazing experience, I would say.
Okay, so the three things that I remember for this course would be obviously the model of the mind, the flip model, and soft C for sure. And I feel much more confident and skilled in taking clients now, all thanks to you. And ma'am, my three key learnings would be first of all the laws of suggestibility and how there are different people, because I feel I can apply this to my life as well. The soft C model for sure, and the NLP presuppositions. My favorite is there is no failure, only feedback. So that is a very big key takeaway. And in applying what I learned is I would want to start my own private practice. And for my trainer experience, ma'am, you were my trainer in the internship as well. And after that, I was like, if I have to do this course, it will be under your guidance only. Because I feel you give that space, like warm space for us to even ask the silliest of questions. Because I've also asked some of them. And you are actually, you know your field, like you know what you do, you know your work. So it was a very good experience with IHRs and especially with you. So thank you for that.
All right. What are the three things that you remember from that course? The amazing thing, of course, was the soft C. The structure, I had some this thing, but finally now when I got it, it is an amazing tool. Something one can apply on all situations, and that was the amazing part. I know I've been trying on various things, ye kya karenge, but finally everything fits into it. It is the application. That was something great. Hypnotic induction, we've gone through various processes. Now it seems so easy. We thought probably it is something very complicated, but I realized that once you get it, it is pretty easy. The flip model, of course, and another one was actually going through the final. When you complete the whole process, take the guy through is what is his future. You just make a package and really pump it into him so that it gets going. That process is complete. You make him work, access his subconscious, and really pack it with what he wants. I think that process was great. How are you feeling now that you have completed? Yeah, I've been practicing, but there was always कि इस situation में क्या लगाए, which is appropriate, ये होगा. But I think now I know this is going to be applied from the time he comes till. It's I think one size fit all. The components will think, like I covered yesterday, but that girl wanted new ideas. I said, fine, let's see. And I took her through the hypnosis and she found a new painting. So I think the applications could be varied, but the process is very, very dynamic and very, very applicable. So I'm feeling very confident. कोई भी आ जाए, बैठो, उसको वही 3 dots. I feel this about this when खत्म ये करो पहले. आधा घंटा उसमें they suddenly start focusing their actually thoughts when we give that sentence to him. Oh, somehow they seem to collect and finally settle down. So that is a great simple sentence, but it focuses that guy's mind. So I'm feeling pretty great and confident. Now, what are the 3 key learnings? I'll go into back to the soft C model is one of the basic things, the hypnotic induction. And the third one, when you know, the whole composite thing, when you feed it into him, that's what he wants. And that was the 3 key learnings. Flip model is great. I haven't tried it, but I have to see it. I know it'll come in very handy. How will you apply what you have learned on every guy who lands up? Guy or girl who lands up. And how was your trainer experience? Mamta, I think a lot of guys have said a lot of things, but you're a great teacher. I really enjoyed learning from you and a lot of patience. That's what I find.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
In spite of a lot of things that probably we, did, I think you maintain your cool and patience. I really have enough practice. I think each one of us got enough practice to, and I think you clarified all the doubts in each and every one. I think that's what everybody. So thank you very much. It was a great learning experience.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. So the 3 things I remember from this course are the flip model and the model of the mind and the when-then statements. How do I feel after completing the course? I feel very confident and I think I have the ability to take on clients. Moreover, I also feel very satisfied with the fact that I've completed a course. I mean, this has been my very first course and I look forward to completing more levels with iChars. My 3 key learnings from the course are the anchoring part and how to go about with the deepening techniques and the whole induction process. How will I apply what I've learned during the course? I believe whenever I personally need to use a relaxation method to calm my mind down, I will use the methods on myself first, and also in the future when I have to deal with clients, I will use the whole soft C approach with my clients. And lastly, my trainer experience was great, ma'am. Honestly, you're one of the best coaches I've come across. In fact, you're the first coach that I have dealt with, and I absolutely love how open you are to all of our questions. And the sessions are not just about doing what is to be done and completing it. You always devote time to answer our questions and ask us if we're how we're feeling, how are we going about the course. And I love how we can contact you even after the course has been completed. So, and also you have a very calming voice, and whenever you give us a demo of before we practice, I really love the way you go about the whole process. There have been times when I've actually typed out what you said on my note because the words that you've used are so impactful. And yes, so overall it's been a great experience and I definitely would want to work with iChars in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Definitely the model of the mind, something that I really enjoyed learning. The soft C, that is the foundation of the entire process. So it's a wonderful process that has been defined. And of course, the concept of suggestibility, I found it very interesting. And these were the 3 things. Apart from the entire course, this is something that I found very interesting as a person. How am I feeling right now? Frankly speaking, I'm feeling very confident of the concept, being able to that I would be able to use it because the number of times that we have practiced with each other, the concepts are really imbibed to some level. So that is, I'm feeling very confident about being able to use it. Key 3 learnings, definitely the entire process, the end-to-end process of coaching. One thing which is a huge learning experience. The soft C model as such, that is also a big learning for me. And the model of mind is something that I'm personally very fascinated by. So that is also something that would be one of my key learnings. How will I apply? Definitely my goal or the future that I want or I am already working on is becoming a full-fledged coach. So I am definitely looking forward to using this entire process in my journey. And my trainer experience, all of us have shared it, but Mamta, it was a pleasure learning from you. You are definitely the SME in this domain, and the clarity with which you took us through the entire process, the patience with which you explained stuff multiple times. It's been definitely a pleasure learning from you.